and a functional review of several operational areas to see if there are opportunities, again, for collaboration or consolidation. TBARTA engaged KPMG to complete 3 primary tasks, and we refer to those as work streams. And work stream 1 consisted of a work plan. And here, this was mentioned that KPMG teamed with representatives from TBARTA, HART, PSTA, as well as the Tampa Bay Regional Planning Council to do a couple things, to refine the scope, to clarify the tasks, and to ultimately refine the schedule for project delivery. As Mr. Clifford mentioned, we are under a compressed deadline to ultimately complete the project for TBARTA by late January and then provide the results to the Florida legislature by February 1st this year. So work stream 2, as I previously mentioned, the McCollum study identified a potential savings of $2.4 million in the reduction of staff, particularly senior administrative and management staff of those 2 organizations. They had identified 22 comparative or equivalent positions amongst the agencies, and that totaled approximately $4.8 million of compensation for FY 2013. Now, the McCollum study surmised that in a JPA scenario, or a joint powers agency governance model, that combining the senior administrative and management staff from HART PSTA could result in that savings of $2.4 million. Essentially, McCollum was saying that 1 HART position, 1 PSTA position, combined into a JPA equals 1 JPA position. KPMG reviewed, as part of our desk audit, conducted one-on-one interviews with 41 of the 44 position equivalents identified in the study to gain an understanding of their overall job responsibilities, the organizational climate and structure, the business processes that each of those individuals were involved in. We reviewed those positions, the position job descriptions, and also took a close look at employee salaries and fringe benefits associated with them. We also captured the primary functions and services performed by each of the senior administrative and management positions to quantify what that meant as far as the amount of effort and the relative costs required to fulfill technical activities as well as general oversight and administrative activities. And we defined the technical activities as those that were were analytical. Your completing financial reporting, your database administration. Whereas the general oversight and administrative activities were more broad in general, and those were more common as far as departmental meetings or staff supervision. Next slide. During our one-on-one interviews with personnel, KPMG identified the functional activities each individual performed on an annual basis and the relative amount of time that they devoted to those activities. So, an individual spends X percent working on Y, or 10% working on project A. And at the end of our interviews and our field work, we provided those time analyses to the organizations to validate. And this slide before you here quantifies the amount of effort and relative costs required to fulfill those technical and or general oversight and administrative activities. And in summary, the desk audit work stream 2, KPMG identified that many of the senior administrative and management positions or personnel review provide that both technical, analytical expertise in their day-to-day roles. And that while duplicative position titles exist, we did find redundancy. We estimated that the annual cost savings of just over $585,000 could potentially be attained by removing portions of general oversight and administrative position activities from the workloads of those individuals. We also determined that achieving cost savings through the reduction of portions of FTE may not be practical and would require a significant reorganization. As part of that, KPMG estimated that the incremental separation and implementation costs resulting from a reorganization under a JPA scenario could reduce this cost savings from the approximate $585,000 down to a little over